Hello, Berea family. This is Antonio Edwards. One of the things that I love about chorus and music is that we get to make lifelong relationships, making great music, and also you get to travel the country. Making great music, I've been to Italy, I've been to London, England. I also, in grade school, went to one of my first Carowinds trips. And so I was able to have a ton of fun. And one of the highlights of what we do here at Berea Middle School, this past holiday season, we had an awesome performance at the Fountain Inn Christmas tree lighting. And we're also planning to perform at the Carowinds Music Festival. So I highly encourage you all to join our music program where you get to make great music and develop lifelong relationships. Thank you.